Hey guys, it's Colton with Big Texas Outdoor Podcast with our man Jon behind the camera. Tonight we're going to take apart this Remington 870 and we're going to refinish it with this Royal Bronze Duracoat. So, before working with a firearm, make sure that your firearm is safe. Breech is open, you can see no bullets are in the magazine, none are in the chamber. Everything is cleared, safety is on. Now, we're going to start by releasing these two takedown pins out of the trigger mechanism. Removal of these two pins allows you to drop the mechanism out the bottom of the receiver. Like so. Boatloads of carbon buildup on there. Don't let your guns get like this, people. Next, we're going to remove this end cap right here. Just unscrews, set it to the side. We're going to remove the barrel. Barrel is off. Bolt and slide come out now. Here's our forend. Here's our bolt. Our bolt comes in two pieces. We're going to give this thing a good cleaning too before we put it back together, so nobody panic. And now, our gun's in pieces, ready to be cleaned and refinished.
All right, so we're gonna Duracoat these arms for the pump. There's a nut in there. You're gonna need a nut removal tool to do this. And what you're gonna do is just fit it into the grooves, hold straight, and turn it to the left. And that will get that out. Nope, almost. All right, we got it. So that comes out, and now we are stripped down and time to degrease this shotgun. All right, so with this kit, it came with a can of cleaner degreaser and a piece of Scotch-Brite. And what you're gonna do, shake it up. Spray the metal that is going to have the Duracoat applied to it. And then take your Scotch-Brite and start cleaning off all this rust, making sure there's no grease or oil left on the surface, and really roughen up the surface for something for the Duracoat to adhere to.
While Jon's hitting the barrel with the finishing touches on the degreaser, I'm going to go ahead and prep the Duracoat to get ready for paint. On the back here it says prep your metal, plastic, or wood parts by spraying the true strip, causing the oil and grime to run off, then scuff using a scrubbing pad, sand with 400 to 600 grit sandpaper or sandblast to rough the surface. Shake can for 3 minutes before activating. Remove this red button from the top of the can, tip the can upside down and set red button on valve. Push down on red button to release the hardener. Shake the can for another 3 minutes to mix the hardener with the Duracoat. Once mixed, the can is usable for up to 4 weeks depending on environmental conditions. Apply in thin, even passes. Allow to dry for at least 5 minutes in between layers. Apply approximately 3 layers. Hang your parts to dry overnight. Reassembly and light use can be done the next day. Once fully cured, your parts will be resistant to scratches, chips, solvents, and cleaners. Easy enough.
All right, we got all our pieces degreased, got the rust knocked off of them, so it is time to start applying our Duracoat. Man, that's a pretty color. Oh yeah, this roll of bronze is an awesome color.
All right, updates through.
Coat 1. All right, so update. Coat 1 is applied. We're gonna give it 5, and then we are gonna go back in for coat number 2. All right, guys, coat 3 is on. We are finished with the Royal Bronze Duracoat. Now we're gonna let this sit, and we will be back tomorrow night to put this thing together.